One of the major things that very many people who are watching YouTube videos see is that they don't get to see what it takes to actually start a channel. The first thing that you will need is a Google account, which you can sign up for free. Then you will go into the site now, youtube.com. You can do this on mobile, or you can even do this on your laptop. As I say this, I'll actually show you how to do this step by step. The next thing that you need to do is go and create a channel. This is very simple. You just put in the name that you want the channel to be about. Now here it depends whether you're going to do a lifestyle kind of video or you're going to do a video in a particular niche, say cooking or makeup. You can put different things. So you can either put your name, put your business name, put your brand name, or just put your name and add the kind of niche that you're in. Like there are those who will put their name, then put makeup next to the name. So there are two options. Either you can create a personal channel or you can put a brand channel. The good thing with creating a brand channel is that as you grow, you can be able to add people who will help you in the management of the page. You can still start with a personal channel, there is no problem. The next thing that you need to work on is your channel art. And a good site to actually do this is on canva.com. Now there's a very good video done by a lady called Vanessa Lau, which I'll show you a screenshot, a screen grab here, and put it in the description below, which will help you to actually create your own channel art. The good thing with the channel art, once you put it on your page, is it actually tells your viewers who you are, what kind of videos you do, and what's the expected schedule on your channel. For instance, on this channel, we've said that we'll upload every single Friday. Today is a Tuesday, and the video will be up on Friday. So just trying to make sure that the content comes out like you have promised your viewers. The next thing that you can work on is your profile picture. So you make sure that the profile that you're using actually shows who you are. If it's your business, it can be your company logo, or if you're your own brand ambassador, then you put that as well. The next thing that you need to do is go and fill the about page. Here you tell people who you are, what they can expect from you. If you can do a small backstory of who you are, how people can get in touch with you, that you put in your about page. This usually shows when someone goes on your channel and then they click on about, they can be able to see what you are about. Then the next thing is you need to fill in links. These are social media links which can direct people to Instagram or to Twitter or to Facebook. Here I have actually chosen to put the channel link where people can be able to subscribe right next to the channel art. This is just an easier way of making sure that someone can be able to subscribe. Of course, there's a big subscribe button that's usually lower, but if they go near the channel art, it's written click here to subscribe. I will show you what I've done on my main channel. The next thing that you need to do is customize your channel. Now this will come a little later. It's not at the very first time that you're doing a video where you need to customize your channel. The importance of customizing your channel is that people find a home page when they come to your channel. Most channels, they don't have playlists. The channel homepage is not fully set up, so I'll actually show you what to do. So here you can come and place in playlists that you want, the popular uploads, the recent uploads. You can move them up and down the way you want. So the reason why you are customizing your channel homepage is you want to actually guide the viewer and the visitor to your page so that they know what to watch. The next thing that you need to do is pick the topics that you'll be handling on your channel. This is really important, especially because not everyone can become a vlogger. And there's a video that I've done which I'll actually place up here, which talks about what you can do if you're not being a vlogger. And the essence here is you can do topical videos, educational videos which people can be able to watch. The next thing that you need to do is actually make sure that you have an upload schedule. This is really crucial because you can help your viewers know when you're going to upload, and then when you upload, you share it on the different social media platforms. Especially WhatsApp is good for getting that initial traffic. You can share on your Facebook page as well, and that helps you get the traffic as well. In the next video, we'll talk about how you can be able to shoot and edit your content out, and even if you're using your mobile phone, then you can be able to use these tactics that I explained in the next video. Additionally, make sure that you watch this video which has the 10 steps that I take anytime that I'm doing my videos. That can help you to start making your own videos as well. See you next week.